What to do if your coffee machine isn't brewing. In this video, we'll see what to do if your machine isn't brewing coffee, even though you can hear the noise and have descaled it. After unscrewing the plastic nut, remove the bottom of the machine where the filter is located. Using a flathead screwdriver or the tip of a knife, remove the filter. As you can see, some incrustations have formed underneath. Both the bottom and the filter must be cleaned, otherwise the coffee won't flow properly. Also, don't forget to clean the top of the filter while you're at it.